Hey guys, Farmer Jeremiah here, getting ready for the 2019 tomato crop at Jocus Farm. I just wanted to share with you the seeds that we're going to be using this year for our tomato crop, as we are going to be um, consolidating it. Instead of growing 12 varieties, we're only going to be growing 4. This one right here is just a jalapeno called Nada Pino, which is a mild, pretty much no capsaicin at all in it, so you can just eat another after another. So that'll be great for stuffing. And I got Juliet. These are great for Oklahoma. Really like these tomatoes. They're really productive. It's a hybrid. And then I have New Girl here, which is another hybrid. It's a variant of Early Girl, but supposedly is a lot more, it's just an improved version of it. And then I got some seeds I saved here from last year's crop of Puron. That is also going to be one of my slicing tomatoes, along with New Girl, that these two are going to be put into the high tunnel. And of course my Roma tomatoes. These seeds are extremely old, but hey, they are still germinating for us, so I still use them. Pretty soon though we'll have to start saving some from fruit so we can start getting our own collection, but I really want to use up all this seed. That's still quite a bit of seed. So, okay, this is how I germinate my seeds. I get a paper towel. If you guys have hung out with me since last year, you see how I kind of do it. But I get a paper towel damp, and I try and spread out the seeds evenly so when they do germinate and put out that taproot, they don't get tangled up. But last year I learned not to leave them out too long because they kind of grew into the paper towel. So we're going to be a little bit more vigilant, as these do tend to germinate within 3 to 5 days if the conditions are pretty ideal. Sometimes faster, so we'll be checking on them daily. But these are the Juliets. It's a hybrid tomato. It's a paste plum and Roma type. It's nice to eat fresh too. And like I said, it's very productive. So we're planting all of those seeds, and then I'll just fold over paper towel. We try and keep it as organized as possible. Something else I learned from myself last year, because last year I was not very organized with the placement of the seeds. I just kind of threw them in there. But anyways, we're going to try that this year, and I'm going to get a little piece of tape and mark this so I'll remember what variety it is, and we'll continue. Now this is just a little shoebox tote I got, and last night I washed it with just some soap and water, and now we're getting it ready. I might need to wash up another one, but I didn't want to do too much work without knowing what I needed. So I could probably fit 2 more varieties in here, maybe squeeze in 4. So okay, I got 3 varieties in here: Juliet, New Girl, and Roma. I'm going to put the jalapeno and the other variety Puron in, I think, a plastic bag. So we're going to get these covered up, and I'm going to put them in the room and wait for them to dry. Alright, so here's the Puron and the Nada Pino that I put in bags. So we're going to put these in a semi-dark spot and just keep an eye on them. We'll probably check on them in a couple of days. We'll honestly still look through the bags though to see if we have any signs, but we definitely got to be more patient with our peppers, and we might put them on the heating pad for a little bit, not too much, maybe for like 30 minutes. So now, one reason I start my crops so early this year is because I was a little unsatisfied with the growth whenever I did plant them in the high tunnel in the 20th of March last year, and I started them on January 30th last year, so I decided I would start a month earlier to give them that little bit of more growth. So that's why I'm starting early. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We're gonna have another great year. We're gonna be doing the farmers market this year, selling our tomatoes, so stay tuned and see some more from Jocus Farm. Subscribe, hit that like button. Thanks guys. We'll see you down the road.